Welcome to CDG Inspection, your trusted partner in global testing and quality assurance. We provide JIS Z 2371 salt spray testing services, ensuring your products are built to last. Our testing supports industries like automotive, marine, and manufacturing to achieve superior corrosion resistance. JIS Z 2371 testing is the global standard for evaluating corrosion resistance through salt spray testing. With advanced equipment, CDG Inspection delivers precise and reliable testing results. Our process includes sample preparation, controlled exposure to saline conditions, and detailed evaluations. Corrosion testing protects your products from failure and ensures long-term durability. Our tests ensure automotive parts withstand extreme weather and road conditions. In marine environments, our testing guarantees materials can resist saltwater corrosion. We help industrial products meet safety and durability standards through rigorous testing. Accredited to global standards, CDG Inspection delivers trustworthy, high-quality results. With expertise, precision, and a focus on quality, businesses worldwide rely on CDG Inspection. Get fast and accurate results with our efficient testing and reporting services. Visit www.cdginspection.com to ensure your products meet the highest standards. CDG Inspection, ensuring quality and durability for industries worldwide.